Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to delete myself from a Facebook group and Facebook group chat. First of all, let's leave from a Facebook group. Go ahead and launch Facebook and go to the group. And now tap on joined and tap on leave group. Tap on leave group and you will be removed from the group, as you can see. And now if you want to delete yourself from a group chat, here's how to do it. Launch your Messenger app, open the group, tap on the group name at the top or tap on this I button, and here tap on see members, and here you will find yourself. Just tap on your profile and tap on leave conversation. Tap on leave and you will be removed from the group chat. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.